You can expect a lot from the 2019 Jeep Cherokee. Top features include air conditioning, front and rear reading lights, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, front fog lights, a roof rack, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.